Winter is a magical season filled with festivities, gatherings, and comfort foods. But as the snow falls and the temperature drops, our grocery bills can often soar, making it a challenging time for budget-conscious households. To help you navigate the grocery aisles during winter 2023 without breaking the bank, here's a comprehensive guide featuring 15 effective money-saving tips. Tip 1. Embrace winter's bounty. The colder months introduce a fresh array of vegetables and fruits that are both nutrient-rich and affordable. Brussels sprouts, turnips, parsnips, and kale are just some of the seasonal delights. Incorporate these into your meals for a winter-themed, cost-effective diet. Tip 2. Go frozen when needed. While some fresh produce becomes scarcer and pricier, the frozen section remains a haven for affordable, nutritious alternatives. Berries, peas, spinach, and more are available year-round in the frozen aisle, ensuring you don't miss out on essential vitamins and minerals. Tip 3. Creativity with leftovers. The festive season inevitably means grand meals and, subsequently, leftovers. Think beyond reheating. Transform leftovers into pot pies, stews, casseroles, or even stir-fries. A little creativity can stretch your meals and your dollars. Tip 4. The power of planning. A strategic grocery list centered around weekly meal plans can be your best defense against impulse buys. Allocate a specific day for planning, and you'll find your grocery trips more streamlined and budget-friendly. Tip 5. Sale hunting. Winter often brings end-of-year and post-holiday sales. This period is excellent for bulk buying non-perishable items like canned goods, grains, and pastas at discounted prices. Tip 6. Canned goods to the rescue. From tomatoes to chickpeas, canned goods offer durability and versatility. They can easily become the backbone of many winter recipes, providing nourishment without straining your budget. Tip 7. Skip the convenience tax. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Prepackaged meals come with a hidden cost, the convenience tax. Instead, set aside a few hours each week for meal prepping. This approach is healthier for both your body and wallet. Tip 8. Explore meat alternatives. Meat can be one of the pricier items on your list. Consider diversifying your protein sources with more beans, lentils, tofu, or tempeh. These options are not only cost-effective, but also provide unique flavors and textures to your winter dishes. Tip 9. Make the most of loyalty. Almost all major grocery chains offer loyalty programs, which often entail discounts, promotional deals, or cashback. If you aren't already a member, now's the time to join and save. Tip 10. DIY your favorite winter beverages. Those tempting store-bought lattes and hot chocolates. Make them at home. Not only does it save money, but homemade versions can also be customized to your taste preferences. Tip 11. Embrace the baking spirit. Winter is synonymous with baking. By purchasing ingredients in bulk and making large batches, you can enjoy homemade baked goods all season long without the store-bought price tag. Tip 12. Support local and save. Farmers markets or local produce stands often have competitive prices for seasonal offerings. Purchasing from these sources supports local businesses and reduces the environmental impact associated with transporting goods over long distances. Tip 13. Waste not, want not. Before discarding any food, consider its potential. Overripe bananas become banana bread, and wilting greens can be revitalized in a hearty soup. It's all about perspective. Tip 14. Preservation is key. Learn the basics of preserving foods through pickling, fermenting, or even making jams. This way, you can enjoy certain foods long after their season has passed. Tip 15. An indoor herb haven. A small investment in potted herbs can save a lot in the long run. Fresh rosemary, thyme, basil, and more can thrive on a sunny windowsill, eliminating the need for store-bought packets. While winter 2023 may pose some grocery shopping challenges with a touch of foresight and these handy tips, you can relish the season's culinary delights without undue financial stress. After all, winter should be about comfort, warmth, and joy, not worrying about your next grocery bill.